today. It's a little early to plant these, but they're going to get planted today. We've got a sunny day and I'm taking advantage. Now, I'm planting the whole potato today instead of cutting and sealing it and having twice as many, because I've got plenty. And I heard on the territorial seed potato page that the actual seed potatoes do better if they're not cut. So I am going to see how that works out today, this year. Okay, here we go. Let's go. Well, I guess it's spring because the lilacs are budding. I have 2 bushes that survived. And look. Hey everybody, I got a little help today. Jack is behind the phone videoing, and we've moved back all the hay that I put down yesterday, and the soil is really good in this corner, and I'm kind of dragging it down with this old hoe that I've had for probably 40 years. And then I'm going to put in the seeds. I'm going to inoculate them with mycorrhizae and inoculate, and put in the azomite and the bone meal, and then we're going to line each side with, oh, we have the trellis up. That's the big thing we did. We got the trellis up. It's pretty secure. It wouldn't go down a foot, but it's pretty solid. And just about to put seeds in here, then we're going to put seeds in there. And I'm going to drape the netting down once the plants start coming up. And then over here, Jack just pan around so you can see this area, just the ground here. This is really soft ground that you're looking right at the sun, aren't you? Mm. Yeah. Well, you move around this way. We're going to do this next, and we're going to plant potatoes over here. Just have to knock down some of this cover crop. Okay, I got 2 rows of peas in. As you can see, I kind of doubled up the peas over here. This is all one variety, these 2 rows. There's going to be peas on either side of the netting. And these 2 trenches are dug. I just need to put the stuff in and get the peas in and get them covered up. Okay, we've got the first row of potatoes in. Second's about to be popped in. And the first row of peas are covered. Just have to cover the second set of rows over there. Okie dokie. It's a big old grub that got disturbed. Not happy. Well, this is what raccoons are after, folks. They don't really want your plants. They want to dig up the roots to find these things. So you take care of these things, and it helps take care of raccoon interest in your garden. Well, hey there, we are done for today. Jack's got to get out of here. He's just going to pick up some of the crushed leaves that I've got stashed in the shop in a very big box, which he ground up and put there. And so we got the peas in. My only concern, and this is a big concern, is okay, I decided to soak the peas because it says for best results, soak for 12 to 24 hours. So the other day, when my other helper was here, he said he was coming back the next day, and I thought we were going to do this. So I soaked the peas. Well, now it's been 3 days. They plumped up overnight. When he didn't come, I strained them and put them in a plastic Ziploc and put it in the refrigerator. And I've kept it there for now 3 more days, or 2 days, whatever, 2 days in the refrigerator. So when I was putting the seeds in, they're very soft and they're starting to split. Now my understanding is with a seed is the sprout comes between the two halves of the pea, that comes out of there. So if it's already splitting, that means, so I'm just praying that these things are viable and that I don't have to open up. I may have to open up the seam and put more pea seeds in there, you know. And I thought I would do it this time. It said for better germination, soak it. But then, hey, if you can't get out to the garden and your peas are soaked, this is a problem. So that's what's going on. The 2 rows of potatoes are done. I didn't get those old crazy gnarly little shrunken potatoes in, but we got this much done. And so I'll let you know how it goes. BJ, we're going. Come on. Let's go. Come on, we're going. Let's go. Come on. Okay, bye. BJ. BJ. Tiger. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Whoa. BJ, there is a snake. There's a snake in the shop. Can you go take care of that, please? It's 2 feet long. Okay? It's 2 feet long, Jack said. He saw it. It went into the hay. So can you please go take care of that? Because, you know, you're better at that sort of thing than I am. You're a little braver than I am. What do you got there? Hey, can you go check out the hay? No? Just don't worry about me so much and just go over to the shop, okay? Can you go over to the shop? I guess I'll have to go over there to get you to go over there. Where's Patch? It sure seems like winter's over. Look, these are the blackberry vines. I haven't even pruned this. And this stuff is budding out. So, I need to get on that. And look over here. Peach trees in bloom. Wow. Is it too late to spray it? I wanted to get everything pruned and sprayed in time this year. I missed it last year. Gorgeous. Oh, and that looks like a honeybee. That's a honeybee. You never see a honeybee. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, have all you want and bring your friends, please. Can't really see it for the light. Isn't that pretty? Wow. It's lovely. Well, today is the last day in February. Just incredible. So much to do, and apparently spring is upon us. It looks like the deer chewed off these branches. I don't even know if these are viable. They feel dead. Yeah, they are dead. I mean, if a fig tree has to totally grow back every year, I had this on here for the Arctic blast. I mean, what here is actually viable? That feels, well, it's not quite dead. That's dead. Don't you love this rock? I never pointed this out. This is a very cool rock. This is the beautiful, beautiful hibiscus with the huge red flowers. See if that comes back. I've got all kinds of wildflowers going. I'm going to do a whole video on that. There's plantain. I've got that everywhere. And then this stuff here. I got to look that up. Look at this raised bed. This is so disappointing. Wow. Okay, this entire bed was made out of cedar. And look what great shape it's in. This one, we reused the boards and only used cedar on this top row, which is fine. And all of that is messed up. And that's not the only one. Look at this. And who am I going to get to come fix that? There's boards all over the place, messed up. Oh boy. Wow, what is this? Let's check this out.